Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey and thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I don't really know what this video is. It's like organizing slash like I have a problem. I feel like I'm in a weird situation right now. I've been really inspired by makeup recently. Like I've been really interested in it and like I just love doing my makeup, but I feel like my whole makeup situation back here is super unorganized, that it's making me like not want to use products or like just use the same thing over and over because I'm like, oh, I don't want to deal with anything. I don't want to like organize or get rid of things. I was watching Kelly Gooch. She does a like shop my stash every 2 weeks, which I think is so fun. So to my understanding, what it seems like is that she has like her project panning products on hand at all times and then switches in other products every 2 weeks. I don't know if I want to do it every 2 weeks. I feel like that's a lot, but maybe like once a month, once every other month. I was trying to do something like this over the past however long year or so, where I was kind of doing like a shop my stash, kind of like organizing my makeup. I don't even remember what I was calling it, current makeup stash or something. And it just was too much. Like every time I thought to do it, I was like, ugh, I don't want to like go through everything. I don't want to reorganize. And so that's where I kind of am right now. So I just want to change how I organize my makeup and like change how I cycle through my makeup, I guess. I think that's the main thing, is I just want to like figure out a way of cycling through my makeup that's inspiring and makes me try new things. So, I guess before we get too far into this, I did get my hair done the other day. I had been talking about how I was done with the pink and I just kind of want to do blonde, which I'm blonde. And it's kind of like a strawberry blonde. I wanted to do something that was kind of warm, not anything like too cool. If I've done blonde in the past, recently at least, it's been like a really cool tone blonde where it's been like really bright. And I like that, but I also want something that just like adds some like warmth to my skin. Sometimes I feel like when my hair is like too cool, it just kind of like washes me out a little bit. So I thought this was kind of fun. It's like strawberry blonde a little bit, but not like too red. It's definitely just like a warm kind of golden blonde, and I really like it. And I got some little bangs. I'm still trying to figure out how to like style them best. I've done like full front bangs before, and that's not really what I wanted. I wanted kind of like effortless kind of like bangs, like that didn't look like I really put a lot of effort into them. But the last few days I've been putting a lot of effort into them because I've been trying to figure out how to style them. But we're getting there. I think they need to grow just like a touch first, like a little bit longer to kind of like, I don't know, swoop over or something. But anyways, I just thought I'd address the hair that's different. But everything else is pretty much the same. I mean, I cut just a little bit off, but not too much. So, I'm not really sure where I'm going to start with this. Although I know this is going to be like a multi-step video. We're not doing all of this in one video. So here's my idea. Today, I want to show you my kind of current situation, current setup, and disorganization that is happening right now, and show you my Project Pan products. Now I do have a few like body products or like hair products that aren't in this, but these are all of my like makeup products that I'm using for 2019 that are in my Project Pan. So let's just take a look at what's going on, I guess. Don't judge me. So this is my vanity. I have shown it quite a few times in different like makeup collection videos, but it's in extreme disarray right now, like I mentioned. So I'm just gonna give you a brief talk through tour real quick, and then up here in this little bowl is all of my panning projects. So let's start in this drawer over here. This is all of my like everyday face products, so like foundation, concealer, powder, stuff that I use every single day. I'm gonna take this off the stand. So I have a lot in here. So this is like the one that I'm like really overwhelmed with because I just have too much going on and like there's not a lot of organization to it. I've had organization in the past and I've just added some stuff recently, or like I've been wanting to use different stuff. And so it's just turned into a lot of disarray happening. So I have like some face palettes back there, some individual products, some powders on this side. Typically how I lay it out is I have like powders over here, so whether that's like finishing powders or like setting powders, whatever, on this side, and then I've got like foundation, concealer and stuff in this like front area, and then on this side I have like face color products, so like bronzer, blush, highlight, all that kind of stuff. And there's just like too much going on right now, and I literally go for like the same thing every day because I just don't want to deal with this drawer. So I need some help here. And then up top here I have kind of like an array of things going on over here. I've got like some perfumes, some skincare, some jewelry, all on my light stand. And then moving over, this has been like the area of focus in the past. And so oftentimes I put palettes and stuff up here that I want to use. I have large palettes back there just because they don't really fit elsewhere. And then, so right now I have like some face palettes back here, eyeshadow palettes, some more face palettes up here. I've got pretty much all of my like current face primers in here, as well as like setting sprays, brushes. There's just a lot going on here, and like for some reason all of these palettes right now are like not inspiring me at all. I don't want to like use them ever, and so I need to like reorganize and figure out something else on this. We're gonna bypass this for right now and move over here. I have, again, just like randomness, I have a candle over here. I've got like a lip balm. I have another little like fragrance thing. I have a bunch of lip products back here. This is where I kind of keep like all of my lipsticks and like liquid lipsticks, and I have some other things in there. I have another perfume back there. I have like a sharpener here. And then this little bin is like lip liners, lip gloss. I think there might be like a liquid lipstick in here or two. I literally just use the same thing every day, and I need help. And then this, I can't even fit everything in here because like I'm trying to like, oh actually, I must have moved something. I think I have a makeup bag downstairs that has stuff in it because yesterday I could not fit everything in here. But this is like mascaras, brow products, eyeliners, anything like that that I want to use. And then on this side I have kind of like some overflow palettes that I'm wanting to use. So I've got a few palettes back here. I have a notebook down there that I don't really know why. I have another mascara here that I don't like, so I don't know why I still have it. I have some lashes, eyelash curler, eyelash glue, I guess. And then like some random products. Again, like I have this eyeliner that I don't like. I have some like other eye products. I never use any of it either because it's just like sitting in here and I don't know what to do with it. Up top here, this is what I have all of my makeup for my Project Pan for this year. So I do have a lot of stuff in here right now. This is all the stuff that my plan is to just keep available. Like this is stuff that's gonna be a stable thing in my collection. So I've got a few concealers, I have some eyelashes that I'm trying to use, I have a face palette, some other face products, got a few blushes, highlights, lip products, I have a perfume, I have a brow pencil, a liner, some lipstick. I want to use this stuff. Like this is all stuff that I really like, so I want to use it. And then I'm going to open this top up because I have a bunch of stuff in there, but I need to clear a space. So this is what's under my vanity right now. I have lots more eyeshadow palettes back here. I have big ones, I've got some smaller ones. I have a bunch of face products in here, like stuff I haven't even opened yet, stuff that I love. Got powder, concealers, some luminizers, a face spray, blushes, bronzers, highlights, more bronzers, face palettes, lip products, lashes. Guys, for someone who does not wear lashes, why do I have so many lashes? Got some more brushes back here. There's so much. And this is after doing a declutter, like a major declutter, like a few months ago. So that's kind of what I have going on right now. I don't think I have too much makeup. Like, I don't feel like I need to do like a declutter. I just need a better way of like organizing things. So I kind of mentioned it before. I think this is part one, just kind of like showing you my current situation. And then I think I'm gonna be just kind of organizing it on my own, like without showing you every single step. But I think what I'm gonna do is, one, as I'm organizing, I think I do need to get rid of like a few things. I'm not gonna do like a big declutter and show you everything, that like going through all my products. But I am gonna pull a few things that like I know I just need to get rid of, and I'll do a video showing you the things I'm getting rid of. And then I think like 2 or 3, what am I saying? Today's 1, 2 would be doing those declutter. 3 will be like a first shop my stash kind of thing. So like first time pulling products, stuff that I want to use. So I'm gonna get organized over the next few days, kind of figure all this out. Sorry, I don't have all the answers. I don't know where exactly I'm going with this, but I am gonna get organized, and then I'm gonna do a shop my stash where I'll go through and like pick out a few products to use and then show you those. So I think I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna have all my makeup organized, but I just need it to be better. I need it to be more approachable, easier to get to, and just like better to use and stay on top of it more, I think. So I know I don't have like a ton of makeup. I know there's a lot of people that have way more makeup than I do. And again, like I said, I don't think I need to get rid of like a ton of makeup. I think naturally I'm gonna get rid of a few things here and there, but I just need a better way of organizing. And Kelly's way that she did it, where she just had like, she had all of her makeup tucked away in like a drawer, and then she would like pull things that she wanted to use for the 2 weeks. Brilliant. Why haven't I ever thought of that? Brilliant. Thank you, Kelly, for just being so on top of things. It's extremely inspiring. So make sure that you're subscribed so you can come back and check out a little bit of a declutter and the shop my stash that will be coming up soon. Again, I think I'm gonna do a little bit longer of like a period for shop my stash. I think it'll probably be like a month, so I'll probably pull quite a few products to kind of like use for the month and then cycle them through, because I want to use different things. So we'll see how this goes. It's just a big experiment. I just felt like I needed a different way of doing things. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Sorry this was kind of a mess. It's just my life, and thanks for watching. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.